Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this smooth zoom strobe video edit on CapCut PC. So go to the part where you want to zoom in. I'm just going to add a keyframe here, and then here I'm going to zoom in. You're just going to right click and then show keyframe animation, and then on the second one you're going to select graphs. Then you're going to select ease in or ease in 2. You can select whichever one suits the best for you. I like ease out a lot, but it does quite zoom in a bit to your videos. If you wanted to zoom out, you're going to just grab this and zoom out of the video like so. And if it's not zoomed in enough, I need to add another keyframe. Hold on. Like around here, I'm just going to add another piece of keyframe so that I can zoom out of the video again. Oops, that's too much. Hold on. Yeah, that should be enough. And then just go to effects and find strobe, and you're going to, find black flash, not strobe. I'm just gonna right click and hide keyframe animation for a bit, and then I'm just gonna add in that black flash where I zoomed in. And when I zoom out, I'm just going to delete that. You can also keyframe your video effects, by the way, but here you can also adjust the speed as well if you want it to be a little bit slower. I'm just going to... Okay. I'm just going to leave it like that. But that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!